Let's learn the verb venir with all of its common conjugations and uses. In the previous video, we saw that Joel was leaving decir. As he begins to come homeward along the path, the convenience store, Venir, rolls up to him. The owner, Nir, shouts out to Joel, "You look like you're out shopping. Would you like to buy something?" Joel doesn't want to buy anything, and he's annoyed that Nir is being pushy. But all of a sudden, something strange happens. Joel has been suddenly enveloped in the store, and right now, he's inside an X-ray machine. Venir is a funny guy. He's very eager to grab new customers, but he also maintains high security for a convenience store with a complete X-ray scan of every entering customer. The image of Joel in the X-ray machine is kind of grotesque, with all of his veins showing. Joel is freaked out by the veins. He says, "Get me out of here." The word for I come, the present tense first person of venir, is vengo. So the stress is on ven, like Joel's veins, when he comes into the store. So remember vengo for I come or I am coming. Imagine Joel coming into the store with all of his veins showing. Now, inside this convenience store, instead of a price tag, each piece of merchandise has a yen bill on it. These bills label the item according to price. No wonder the security has to be so strong here. There's money all over the place. This yen everywhere represents the words viene, vienes, and vienen. Meanwhile, the word for we come sounds a lot like venir itself, with a stress on ni. Venimos. Here's some examples. I come from another world. That would be vengo de otro mundo. She comes from another house would be viene de otra casa. We come from many places would be venimos de muchos lugares. In a separate area in venir are some V-shaped umbrellas. These represent the most common preterite form of the verb, vine and vino, both of which have a stress on V. So vine is I came, and vino is he, she, or it came. The other preterite forms start similarly with the V sound at the beginning, but they stress different syllables. So viniste, vinimos, and vinieron. These should all be very familiar verb forms to you based on the neighboring shops hacer, with hiciste, hicimos, and hicieron, and decir, dijiste, dijimos, and dijeron. You should practice saying these various forms of the verbs out loud, and notice how similar they sound. This similarity that we see is also reflected by the present tense Joel version of these words, vengo, digo, and hago. This funny letter G appears in the backyards of all these shops as well. Venga, diga, and haga. Let's look at some examples of the preterite and the subjunctive of venir. So, I came to search for my friend would be vine, to search for mi amigo. She came to search for my friend would be vino, to search for mi amigo. And then if you turn this into a question, did you come to search for my friend? That would be viniste, to search for mi amigo. Let's use a subjunctive example that is in response to someone's expression about something. So, how nice that you're coming with me. That would be, how nice that vengas with me. Or, qué bueno que vengas conmigo. Venir's imperative is very frequently used informally. So, ven, just spelled V-E-N, means come or come on. For example, all right, come on would be bueno, ven. Now you should make sure that you can list all of the conjugations of venir that we've learned before moving on.